Yeah. Yeah. See, it's company. Wait, so you know the name? Hopped in the fame. Balled out today. All my niggas know damn well we going so crazy. Do this shit till ballin' out like ball out today. Cause we ballin' out today. Gunshots gon' spray. Gunshots all up in the yeah. Everybody know damn well that we doing this shit crazy. Ball out today. Cause we ballin' out to yeah. Ball out today. We ballin' out today. Wait. Cause we ballin' out to yeah, had to let it go, had to no gunshots, had to let it spray. Wait, all out today, cause we ballin' out today, yeah. Gunshots not going, you know how we ball today. Ball out today, we ballin' out today.
That shit get crazy, reminisce yesterday, now she love today. Oh, she called me bae. Oh, no, not. Yeah, you know she a thought. Fucked her, then I passed her the block. Yeah, you know we back on your wheel. He can't stop. Toxic forever. TBL, yeah, you know it. Fucked up, yes, you showed it. You know, yeah, we gon' go, bitch. On and on for the scene. What you mean? Yeah, I'm chasing my dream. Gotta smoke on a little weed. Yeah, you know, had to take out the seeds. Can't smoke on that Reggie. Only the loudest and that Zaza. What you mean? Yeah, we high rise. What you mean? We on high rise? We smoking and joking and taking the L, what you mean? You know we can never fail to me. What you mean? Yeah, we not on now. Look at me, we on now. Gotta get mixing and rolling. Take it back, you know we on potions. Now she in love on emotion. Ain't. Then we on. Rocked it up to the song. Tell me what you mean. Can we get along? Can we get along? Fisting in. Fuck it up, you zoodoo with my twin. Can we get along? Oh, can we get along? Ha. I said, can we get along? Hey, oh, can we get along? Can we get along?
Cause we had to mix the track, all in one. This should be a quick one. She know how we do. Hopping all in the groove. How we do. Had to switch it around. Because guess what? We was ballin' out today, so we had to go let it lay. Gunshots go spray. All my niggas know then we cray. We was ballin' out today, so we had to go let it lay. Wait, gunshots go spray, so we had to go let it. We was ballin' out today, no, we had to go let it lay. Gunshots go spray. Everybody know damn well we was ballin' out today, so we had to go let it lay.
I was gonna twist it, mix off the max, mix it off the Dutchie, mixing off them rats. Gotta stay away, can we fade away? Oh, yesterday, or maybe today. And she called me bae, sipping on that purple, and that's a fact. Calling me Steve Urkel, and that has to go. How to fucking bring it in? No nerdy shit, but you know we finna win. Can't take no L's. If we do, it's a lesson. That's a blessing. Tell me what you need now. Finessing, straight on that mic. Oh shit, I wanna bite. Oh shit, out tonight. Taking new routes tonight.
Taking different routes. Tell that little bitch that we spinning around. It's low-key right now. You know how I'm doing right now. I gotta go rap right now. I gotta go kill. Teach the little bitch that we doing this drill. I don't really care just how she feel. All of my niggas is smoking this. How we do the how we do. It's just moving it back right then. I told the little bitch that we stack right then. What she doing? All of my niggas on there when we clueless. All of my niggas on there when we doing it. I told the little bitch that we shooting it. And what is she talking about? All my niggas on there when we making this music. We doing it now. I'm going so crazy. I'm going so proud. I told the little girl that we doing it crazy. Yes, I'm feeling so wavy. I'm rapping and killing. My niggas go down. I'm trapping and dealing. I don't really care what she saying. I'm milling. My niggas go down. We eating it great. All of my niggas go down. We getting the feast today. What is she talking about? Yeah, all we gonna do is increase today. Rapping and doing it now. Right now. What is she all in my town right now? Yes, I'ma lay it down. Yes, I'ma come and do it, spray it now. My niggas know then what we saying now. What she saying right now? What she saying right now? What the fuck she saying?